how to get a book on your Kindle on your iPad. So in this video, I'll show you how to download books onto the Kindle app using your iPad. Now the first thing you'll need to do is go and close out of the Kindle app, and you'll need to open up an internet browser. Now from an internet browser, type in amazon.com and then go and press enter. Now it's important that we do this from an internet browser and not the Amazon app. And once you're on this page, you'll need to go and sign in with your Amazon account. Once you're signed in, click on the navigation in the top left-hand side and select Kindle e-readers and books. And underneath the Kindle store, you can select Kindle books. You can then either use the search box or go and select one of the books that you want to purchase. Once you have the book selected, you can press buy now with one click. And once you've purchased the book, you'll be able to go and send this over to your Kindle app. So what we can do now is go and open up our Kindle and just make sure you're signed into the same Amazon account on your Kindle app as the website. You can then click on your library at the bottom of the page and you should now be able to find the book that we just downloaded on Amazon.